Hello moneymakers, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, I was racking my brain trying to come up with a creative idea for a YouTube short, and I accidentally stumbled upon a super chill, relaxing video. I was instantly hooked and I know you'll love it too. Do you know how to create a video like this? Let's go. Step 1. Creating an image from a prompt. First, head over to cart.ai, then click on Flux under Quick Tools. Now that we're in the Flux tool, simply enter your prompt in the text box. Select 9:16 from the aspect ratio dropdown, then hit Generate. Let's see the result. Here's the result. If you're not happy with it, you can always hit Generate again to try for a different outcome. And after a few moments, I really like this image, so I'm going to download it. And now let's move on to step 2. Turn image into video using Kling AI. On the home page, click on AI videos. Next, switch to the image to video. Now simply upload your image by clicking here. Next, click on motion brush to start drawing the movements you want for the objects in your video. And now let's select the objects and draw the movement direction for each of them. You can use the erase tool to remove any incorrect selections. If you don't want the camera to move, you can add static areas to certain spots. After that, simply click the Confirm button to save the motion you've created. Once everything is set, hit Generate. And here we have the final result. Looks great, right? You can now download and use it in your projects. You can create 2 or 3 clips like this, combine them, and upload the final video to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Add some chill music, and I guarantee it will grab viewers' attention. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.